Nowadays, everyone wants to become a YouTuber. And why wouldn't they? If you create a YouTube channel and upload just 4 videos a month, and each video gets 100K views, you can earn more than a full-time employee. These days, almost everyone has a YouTube channel. Whether it's a district official, a governor, a president, a millionaire, a billionaire, a teacher, or a student. Almost everyone has a YouTube channel. YouTube doesn't just give you money. It gives you a business, an identity, and an audience. But that doesn't happen for everyone. It only happens for people who create their channel the right way. If you don't set up your channel properly, it doesn't matter how good your videos are, you won't get views. If this video has reached you, don't take it lightly, because whenever someone searches how to create a YouTube channel, YouTube usually shows the videos that already have the most views. YouTube doesn't check whether the information in a video is correct or incorrect. It mainly looks at which videos have the most engagement and views. Then people watch those videos and create their channels based on them. But when they upload videos, YouTube doesn't even give them impressions. Why? Because their channel was set up the wrong way from the very beginning. The result? 0 views. Now tell me, can someone become a successful YouTuber like that? Obviously not.
That's why I'm saying if you watch this video all the way through,
you'll avoid the mistakes and traps that most beginners fall into. And most importantly, you'll create your channel in a professional way, so well that even YouTube won't be able to stop your videos from getting impressions. Simply put, an impression means your video is being shown to people. The more people who see your video, the more views you can get. I've divided this video into 3 chapters. And I've explained this process while keeping almost every common beginner mistake in mind. Along the way, I'll also answer your questions and clear up your doubts so you don't make any mistakes and can understand everything properly.